Who is the most insane person you've ever known? My dad is definitely the most insane one. One night, our elderly neighbor's house caught fire. She had left the stove on after cooking and went to bed. My dad noticed the flames and rushed over without hesitation. He managed to rescue the elderly woman, who could barely walk, and brought her outside. My dad already got burns from saving her. As soon as they were out, the old lady begged to save Chi-Chi and Lola, her two senior dogs trapped inside. My mom tried to stop my dad and literally yelled at him, "Are you insane?" insisting they wait for the firefighters to rescue the dogs. But my dad, being the selfless, stubborn hero he is, simply said, "If that was Bruno, our dog, would you not want to save him?" He just told us with confidence, "No dogs are dying tonight, not on my watch." My dad went back inside. He found the dogs and fought through the thick smoke and flames to bring them out. He suffered third-degree burns in the process, but he saved Chi-Chi and Lola. Half of the house was severely burned down. While my dad was in the hospital recovering, the elderly lady visited him every day, grateful for his bravery. Sadly, a few months later, we heard the news that she had passed away. With no family left to care for her beloved dogs, my mom and dad decided to adopt Chi-Chi and Lola.